When it comes to caravan and motorhome covers, it's pretty essential that you get the perfect fit. That's why we've come along to Specialised Covers in Yorkshire to find out more about a proper tailor-made experience and the latest in their digital cutting technology. I'm joined by Elliot Long, Managing Director at Specialised Covers. Hi Elliot.
Hi Leo.
Hi, I understand you've recently adopted a new technological approach when it comes to specialised covers.
We're growing as a company first and foremost. One of our biggest investments has been in some digital cutting technology. It's been a big investment, but it's great. Change is necessary, and the company as a whole is really driving forward. You know, we have a great growth vision for the business in the sort of next 5 years. So we're really excited. So yeah, it's going to be good.
So how's the cutting machine benefited your business so far?
Well, so far, I mean, you've got accuracy, you've got speed. It allows us to reduce our waste, which is, you know, a huge efficient part. Materials are expensive, and it allows us to get that finesse. You know, they're all still handmade. You know, there's no machine that will put them together, but it allows us to tweak our designs and really get the best possible fit, which is what we're about.
So I understand Specialised Covers recently introduced a new piece of technology to the arena of covers.
Yeah, we've just purchased a CNC digital cutting machine.
Oh, okay.
So it's going to be very exciting to have it. It's going to push the company forward. Yeah. It's going to be more economical, more precise for the customer, which is obviously the goal at the end of the day, is everything's right to start with as it goes out, as it's cut. So
give us a brief overview as to how the digital cutting machine works.
Once the order comes through, comes into the digitising room, where the pattern will be digitised. It'll go onto the software, then it'll go through a process called nesting, then it'll go through a process called plotting, which will be transferred down to the digitised cutter. It reads the software that's gone down, and then it'll cut out the fabric, the pieces on the fabric, to manufacture the cover itself.
So you're mixing a bit of the old with a bit of new, essentially, aren't you? Because you've still got very, very traditional elements sort of at the backbone of this family-run company.
Yeah, there's always going to be a hands-on aspect to it, from obviously the order coming through, but there's always, especially on the car cover side of things, you've got individual covers that need to be made out, which will not be able to cut on this machine. So there's still a lot of hand cutting going on, a lot of skill going on involved. So we're not taking that away by introducing the machine, we're just making everything more efficient. And you're also fully manned downstairs. I mean, I've been in your factory floor, and it's pretty interesting to watch everybody sort of work together and the manual elements that go into making these covers as well as the digital. Yeah, it's definitely from cutting point to actually sewing and putting the covers together. You know, everybody's very much interested in what they're doing, because everything is so individual, from a car to a caravan to a helicopter. The skill sets that the girls and boys have downstairs for putting them together, it's up there. You're not going to get much better anywhere else, put it that way.
For over 30 years, Specialised Covers have continued to move with the times, and nothing proves that more than the high-tech cutting machine that we've seen today. And we here at Caravan Times are pretty excited to see what innovations await over the next 30.